Ever scroll past those viral animal cooking videos and wonder, how the heck do people make those? Most people think you need expensive software or a video team, but I made this one, using free tools in under 15 minutes. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, no experience needed. I'm in ChatGPT, and I've asked it to give me some ideas to create a short video for YouTube about animals cooking like a person. It gave me several good ones. So next, I'll take these image prompts and go to a free AI tool I'll be using to generate images with. This is Piclumen. It is absolutely free and super easy to use. Now I'll start making my images. I've already made quite a few. I even made a few in a mobile version. This is the prompt. And this is what Piclumen made for me, so it's really cute. Next, I'll take this image and download it. Then I'll go back and download the rest of these. So now that I've got all my images made, the next thing I'll do is turn them into videos. So let's do that next. Okay, now I'll go to Google AI Studio. You can Google it, and it's the first one here. Right now, it is free with no watermarks, but limited. So once you've logged into your account, go to Generate Media, then here. This is where you actually make your videos. This is the dog image that I made earlier. Choose your aspect ratio, duration, and all here. Let's watch this. Pretty good, right? Let's make another one. I'll clear this out and delete that. Then I'll add a new image and click Run. It doesn't take very long. Now I'm in Canva, and I'm going to start making my video. So I'll choose YouTube video or video, either way works. I think I'll start with the mobile video first. So I'll click on that and come over here. I'll add another page since there will be 2 mini videos included. Next, I'll click on Uploads and drag my videos in there. I'll put one here and enlarge it, then do the same thing for the other. To make this even better, I'll go to a site called Pixabay and look for free cooking sound effects. You can listen to them by clicking here and download them here. If you want to look at the license, do it there. So now that I've got those downloaded, I'll go back to Canva and drag them into my Uploads section. Feel free to change the volume as needed to fit your style. Click on the sound to add it to the video, then adjust it as needed. Feel free to add multiple sounds to your video. Listen and adjust. Once you're happy with it, it's time to download. Come up here to Share, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, all your pages, and then click Download. Let's get started on the 16:9 videos. I'll basically follow the same process with those. Choose Video in Canva, then Landscape. I'll add a few extra pages, then drag in my videos. Next, I'll start adding them in and make them fill the page. You can also choose Set Video as background to do it faster. So here's all the mini videos. I need some kitchen sounds, so I'll use the ones from before. Watch, listen, and adjust your video pages and audio. Later, add transitions to make it more interesting. And at the end, I'll fade it out as the video is ending. Now all I have to do is hit Share, Download. I'll just include the first 4 pages, since those last 2 are blank. Then click Done, and Download. And there you go. Now, you know how to make animals cooking videos. And the way I just shared with you is 100% free. So have fun playing with this, and tell me what kind of animal videos you made in the comments below. I'd love to know what you made. Alright, now you've got the basics. So what's next? Making animated videos with AI? Total game changer, but it can get confusing fast. And there's so much to learn. That's why I put together this next video to walk you through the exact steps, no fluff. Click on that video I'm about to share with you in just a second and I'll meet you over there. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.